Konnichiwa. My name is Esha Gupta and I'm from Kolkata, studying in SRM University, pursuing B.Tech CSE with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So today I'll be traveling to the university. Today is 27th of November and I'm really excited as you'll know why. Oh, also I hope that you like my small travel vlog. See, alright, so I got everything in one place and now I have to pack. Okay, I'll show you all a sneak peek. So here we go. My bag, my clothes and my stuff. I need to fit everything in this bag. I got my watch, my charger, my earphones, my documents and most importantly my flight tickets. Okay, so here's one thing. This is my first solo trip. Oh no, wait, this is my first ever flight trip which I'm going to take, and that too solo. I'm super excited.